Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Today is Friday. We have a bit of action going on. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. It's Friday. Let us wait, everybody, to tune in for today. You got few stocks to watch. ABS doing great, man. Doing great. Thank you for asking. So DJT, one of the top stocks from yesterday, 41%, or almost 42, and now it's 4% up. The only stock that went down after the good news that we got from Donald Trump signing the ease for the restriction on cannabis stock, we got TLRY CGC pulled back big time, guys. Pulled back 30%. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purpose only. Just as a reminder. Welcome, everybody. Welcome wherever you are. Wherever you're tuning in from, thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like on the way and support the channel. Share our live streaming, guys. You can share our live streaming to everybody. It's free. So let's get right to it. As we said, guys, the only stock that went big time is cannabis stock. As we discussed, guys, we said we might have selling the new scenario. As you see here, TLRY and CAM stock rebound after big drop as Trump reschedules marijuana. What's going on? Cannabis stocks rebounded Friday after President Trump signed an executive order Thursday directing Department of Justice to reschedule marijuana as a lower class drug. Interesting. The Department of Justice respond rule first issued in May 2024 will really classify marijuana as but doesn't permit legalized recreational sales. Okay, the federal government determined marijuana has legitimate medical application when carefully administered in some cases, including as a substitute for painkillers. Trump said in the White House, he added that the reclassification doesn't legalize marijuana, in no way sanction it is used as a recreational drug. Interesting. So it's just for medical use. Better than nothing. Better than nothing. So this is a good step, guys, to legalize marijuana in the United States. A good first step. AZI, we got a kind of breakout here, guys, around the 215. It just goes slowly up. Yeah, not bad for AZI. Interesting trend here. Yeah, interesting trend. AZI trying to break out with DJT and SOC. Those are the main stocks for today. We'll see if we're gonna have another ones like PR, PH. It might be good if we broke the 20 cent. RDAC, I was watching it in pre-market, but we don't like it that much. PAVS had reversed it yesterday. I don't like it anymore. Beyond Me didn't break. Open still up. We got some stock reporting earnings yesterday, guys. KMX, FedEx, Nike pulled back almost 11%. Okay, going back to AZI, 38%. Checking again the market, we got AZI fold. Interesting. So let's see once if the market open and close. Let's see. December, yes. Christmas is open, but on Wednesday will be have it will close early on Wednesday and Thursday closed. Yeah, the market will be closed next week, guys. Yeah, and Friday will be open. And of course, on Wednesday, then New Year's Eve will be closed. Or 2026 should be on Thursday, yes. So to Thursday, next Thursday and the other Thursday, the market will be closed. Interesting. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. AZI, guys, is breaking out from the 215. We've got a quick action, guys. AZI is the only one that give us some great action. Current support right now is 191. It's going toward the 236. So AZI technically is number one now. Top losers, we got GALT and TNMG. Let's check those two. It might be great to watch TNMG as well. We got CHR. Yeah, we got three. Gonna double check those three. Okay, GALT, 34% down. Big drop and start to reverse now. Yeah, don't like it that much. The other one, TNMG, the same. CHR, the same. So yeah, keep going. AZIs keep going here. We got exactly here. We got some trends we need to break around the 236. The trend's looking all right for AZI. DJT, the same guys. We got a nice buyer right now in the pre-market. Watch out. Around the 1568. We have a huge buyer for DJT. So AZI and DJT for today are the good candidate to watch. Xander, good morning. Start now. Good morning. AZI, Xander, yes, is really good. SGBX being up 10% in the pre-market. I don't like it that much. It's heavily shorted. Beyond Meat increase the short. Karina, thank you for the let us know. But yeah, AZI guys and the other one, AZI and AZI and DJT are the one to watch for today, without any question. So as we said, guys, DJT and AZI are the one to watch for today. The rest is not my cup of tea for today. I will check SGBX a little bit. Wait a sec, let me just bring this. Welcome, everybody, welcome. Good morning, George. So Karina, SGBX, how it is? I think I put it on the other list. No, I took it out. I don't like the trend that much. Yeah, yeah, 10%. But look at this. We already have a huge jump until the tree and pull back really quick. So is not ideal. Is not ideal below this resistance that we test around $3.14. If we broke it, yes, the $3.14 would be great. But for now, if we held over the 250 would be great. Otherwise, the $2 could be the next level to go. You see, we might drop, yeah, 24%. So be careful. SGBX is not ready yet. AZI is a different story, looking strong. It's getting near a major seller around this white line, which is the $2.36. DJT is still going up toward 1650. Now we have a nice breakout. So 1627 might be the first level that we might test. 1627, yes. 1627 for DJT. AZI, guys, is going strong. Tested the $2.34. We have a huge buyer, guys, for AZI. If you just came, remember, AZI is the strongest stock for today. And hit ready our resistance on profit taking. You see, we have a huge wick here, huge wick at test, and the price pulled back a little bit. Yeah, the trend looking promising here. Look at that. We have a really good wedge, and the wedge is going up slowly, slowly. Yeah, it will be great to watch this at the market open because it's 50% up. With DJT and maybe PRPH, as you can see here from the trend, it's kind of preparing for a breakout as well. It's preparing for a breakout from this wedge as well. So I'm gonna keep it on the list here. If we have a breakout, it could be imminent around the 20 cents. But yeah, the strongest right now is AZI and a little bit of DJT, but AZI is kind of number one. Today is Friday, guys. Today is Friday. Yesterday we have a little bit of reversal, so hopefully we're gonna have some action at the market open. Again, guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Let us start the day strong. Let us do a little recap. AVGO trying today to give us at least 5% reversal. So watch out for AVGO, guys. Yesterday, we got a big seller around the 347. And from the chart, it looked like it bottomed out around the 300 something. So watch out for the breakout. I already put alert on around the breakout here. Warning around the 347.67 will give us a warning sign that AVGO started to reverse. FedEx, Nike had earnings, even though they were good earnings, they pulled back anyway. CCL reporting earning now, guys. Huge selling pressure happened. Yes, we got huge selling pressure, as you can see here for CCL. I'm watching CCL as well for today. If we have a bad news or a flush, I will watch for a dip. Now is about to go on the green side, but I will be ready anyway. If we got the dip, I will be ready for it. Don't want to say what if. Opportunity come once in a year. So CCL reporting earning now. We got other stock already reported earnings like WGO, KMX pulled back because we have big seller around the 42. We got APLD is about to break out from the 2517. Watch out, guys. APLD got shorted almost 38% or 40% in the span of a few days. So it hit a nice load up zone for the whales. So technically now we reverse 16%. We expect 25 or 30% at least before the end of this trading session for today would be great, around 26, 28. So I will watch for this reversal for today. If we broke the 2517, of course, to short my cover here, guys. So ABLD, best candidate to watch for today. We got a little bit of support to hold for today to confirm that over the 2366. Let's see, because we might have a pullback of 4% or 5, then reversing 7. So yeah, ABLD guys, watch out. It's kind of bottomed out. Look juicy, juicy, juicy around those levels, everybody. Let's go. Wait a second. Let us go back to the main unicorn for today. AZO, guys, is trying to give us a squeeze. Look at that. We have a test around this white line. We didn't break it yet. If we broke it at the market open, we might have the 250. DJT pulling back. CGC and TLRY pulling back from yesterday. If you don't know, you should know that we got selling the news from traders, even though Trump signed the ease for the campus stock, but the price went down 30%, guys, for CGC. 30% just after the news. And now we have a reversal because he didn't say that cannabis stock should be 100% legal, but he said just medical use. So I think investor didn't like what Trump said. They want 100% legalization, which I think will take a bit of time. AZI still is just near the breakout zone, guys, for today. Huge breakout might happen. Yeah, we got few minutes left. Guys, don't forget to hit the like on the way in. Let's see again if we got something going on. Remember, guys, next week the market might be a bit weaker because we got Christmas. Market closed next Thursday, or 1 week from now. ILAG is hitting the scan. ILAG, if you don't know, guys, this one was one of the top unicorn before. No, it's down 25% actually. Yes. You see, it already reversed so many times here. 300% back in 2024, beginning 2024. After that, 300% in mid 24, then 300% in August this year. But yeah, it's heavily shorted, so it's not good for today. What we care about is today, guys. Tomorrow the markets close, and after tomorrow everything could happen. So in day trading, we should know what's going on today. So you see, guys, we kind of broke the trend here for AZI, but we didn't break everything, because if we pull back until the $2 190, we're gonna have a nice reversal. Let's see how much we pull back. 7% or 13% would be good reversal for AZI at the market open. The other hand, we got DJT. This one might pull back toward the gap that we did around the 1450. Still currently good if we have this pullback, guys. So I'm watching for a pullback because we got near the 1627. ATHA 62%. Yeah, this one did a really great job yesterday. Today might be good if we held the 637. So I'm gonna keep it on the list. John, you asked me this yesterday, but today it might be good if we held the current support. Yeah, we got 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes at the market open. I think we got a lot of traders taking time off in Christmas time. Let me know, guys, if some of you considering not trading at the end of this year, because I feel the trend in the market, a lot of traders is taking time off. The same what happened in the mid of summer. Welcome, welcome everybody. So, George, welcome everybody. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we got many question here. George asked about NU AI. Profit taken, I think you asked. NUAI, brother, 10% yesterday. Today is kind of shady because it need to hold the 3.29, and the level that we might go if we have a nice green day after we break the $3.79 is around $4. Yes, $4 could be a really good candidate to test, and the ultimate level is the 450. But yeah, we have to hold over the 329 for today, brother. Good morning, Ash Duffy. Reclassification will only open to research. It doesn't legalize it. Exactly, Karina. That's why a lot of traders and investors didn't like that. Uh, Beyond Meat, why CBD, please? Why CBD? I don't like it that much, man. Yeah. Why CBD? I don't like it that much because it pulled back a lot here. Yeah. 195 should be a resistant here. Yeah, 195 is the current resistance for YCBD. The current profit taking is around the 240. The pullback it was around the 142 for YCBD. If we dipped $1.10 would be great. And Beyond Meat, it is, as we said, 114 is the current resistance, so we didn't break it. 95 is the bottom. So nothing changed for this one. Everyone need time off at the point. Yeah, Bond Monster, I agree with that. Yeah, we all human. We need time off a bit. Bad Monster, Mad Love, brother. Yes, thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in and checking on us, brother. Um, the market trading on low volume. There is 11 billion that left the market last week and into money markets. Karina, I think they pulled back a bit of money to add again before the end of this year. So maybe before Christmas we have another wave. So let's go over, guys. The market is open, so I can check your requested stocks for now. AZI, DJT pulling back. AZI, guys, is pulling back as well because it tested the major seller around the $2.34. We need to break this level of selling in order to go toward the 250. DJT is pulling back toward the 1458. SOC, nothing much here. SOC, nothing much, everybody. We need to break a major resistance around the 940 in order to go up. Yeah, otherwise we can't do anything about this one. Is a bit weak here. CGC might reverse today if we broke the 187. TLRY, guys, is pulling back down big time. I think the seller right now is around the 12. Yes, sir. We got a huge seller here around the 1274. PRPH, nothing much. Yeah, it's kind of pulled back around this seller place around the 18. ATHA, I don't like it that much. Beyond Meat is in green, open in green a little bit. What else we got here? VMAR, nothing much. YCBD, yeah. Going back to AZI, guys, is about to squeeze here. AZI is the only candidate for today. Yes, we have a breakout. AZI breakout, everybody, toward the 250. We have a really good breakout. DJT, no, disappointed start. Disappointed start for all of them. Yes, except for AZI. Yes, AZI hitting the 256, guys. Make sure to take profit right now for AZI, guys, because we might have a pullback after that. A pullback is coming. A pullback is coming. AZI might get halted right now. Yes, AZI is currently halted. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, everybody. AZI is currently halted. Big time, as you can see here. Haltation, big haltation. We going toward the 286, so make sure to take profit around the 285, guys. 285. What a nice trade for AZO, guys. Now we currently halted for AZI, guys. AZI is currently halted. Yes, we got nice jump. Trading of AZI is temporarily halted by the Nasdaq. We have a really good entry around the shares, yeah, around the $2.19 right now. 276 is going toward the 285, 25%. So I recommend the exiting at the haltation. We might go up again over that, but I expect a pullback, guys. I expect a pullback for AZI, one of the top gainers, as we discussed before the trading session open. As a reminder, guys, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So make sure to check our live streaming early so you don't miss the good entry. AZI, it was better entry before the market open. And we have a really good jump for it, 25%, got halted up. And we'll be ready to exit from this trade after the resumption in 5 minutes. Norma, you are welcome. Really. As we said, guys, AZI, the only candidate for today. We said all the other stocks are bad. AZI was in good trajectory, strong, holding the levels, breaking out, holding, no pullback, and hit our profit taking the first one. Now is around the second profit taking. So I recommend always exit, guys. Take a little bit profit. If you don't want to exit, if you are a bit greedy, take 50% and let the rest go so you have risk-free trade. Let's go, everybody. So I'm gonna exit from this trade before even the markets open or before even the haltation. So even if we gap up here around the $3 and we pull back, I will be in the safe side. The DJT guys started to reverse because it's getting near the support. SOC, nothing. CGC started to reverse a bit. TLRY is getting near a bottom. This one, nothing. AVGO jumping up, guys. Really green day today. MU 5%. Nike is testing the resistance. KMX not good. FedEx not good. So KMX and FedEx is on the red side. This one on the red side. Nike on the red side. So I'm gonna keep the red together and the green together. Yeah, Nike started to reverse a little bit, but CCL, we have a big buyer, guys, for CCL. Huge buyer around the 27, 22. It might be wise to watch CCL, guys. APLD, we have a breakout, guys, for APLD. APLD could be great to watch for today. Huge green, 6%. APLD, watching APLD very closely because we expecting the 26 for today. If we have the 26, would be great. So we need 4% for APLD for today. Another 4%, please. Where's the bulls? 5%, yes, another 5%. Because APLD have huge news, guys, about APLD new facility posts its ability to seize quality side opportunities while ensuring capital flexibility. The company is also in talk with second hyperscaler for multiple campuses. Holy baloney. So watch out, guys. APLD might squeeze today after this huge, humongous news toward the 2670 at least. AVGO, we got a big buyer finally came for AVGO. The big buyer for today should break this seller place around the 347. We need a reversal there, guys. At least another 4% for AVGO and start the reversal around the 360. CCL still going up. We have good earnings today. CUK the same. WGO. MU had earnings yesterday. One of the semiconductors. And I think this is will help AVGO to go up, guys, because AVGO it is on the semiconductor sector, and and MU it is one of the top stocks. Oracle, I think, started to reverse as well. Some of you said Oracle started to reverse. Holy baloney! We got a lot of buyers for Oracle. Oracle doing all right. We got a nice reversal from the bottom here around the 177. I expect a test for the 200 soon, guys. The 200 should be a breakout and squeeze zone. But I think, first of all, we got this seller around the 191 to break for Oracle. Thank you for the reminder, brother. But yeah, AVGO, guys, we need at least 5% for today. Now it's almost 2%. Yeah, we need 5%, man. Or better yet, going toward the 362 and do 10%. Yes, this is the best deal, the best scenario. Anyway, AZI, guys, unhalted and went up, guys, still going up. I exited from this trade because I was afraid that the price will go down after down halting, and this is what's gonna happen right now. So I expect a pullback now. As you can see, we have a little bit pullback now. Yes, but we already exited from this trade. Great hunt for everybody who traded with us this play. So I'm gonna take RPLH, TLRY, CGC is slow today. SOC slow, SGBX slow. So I'm gonna keep only, yeah, DJT and AZI. Those are the top stocks. Yeah, AZI is the only unicorn for today, guys. For my opinion, the best unicorn for today. What else? Let's see the top gainers for today. We got Fold. I think is acquisition, so I don't like it. JLHL, nope. Janks, nope. Lunar, whoa, Lunar, I think one of the top gainers before. And now trying to go up. Lunar, guys, it might be great to watch this Lunar stock. Yes, it might be great to watch if we held around those levels. Yeah, Lunar, guys, I'm gonna keep it on the main list now. Just came right now. Lunar. This one really squeezed big time before. So top level is around the, yeah, we might go again if we hold the current support here. This one looking interesting, guys. Is it I and Lunar, of course. Now I kept it on the list, but it's still light on volume. I'm gonna put support around the 1169 for it. Yeah, give or take 1157, yes. AZI is still holding. This one had the reverse split lately, guys. Let us check again the top gainer list. Yeah, top gainers, we got AZI, stock that been halted. Let's see. Okay, we got only one that's still halted. FJET. We got NISN. It's been halted. LUDP, the reason code. AZI's got halted and unhalted. Let us just check those two, and then we check the rest. No, they are dead. This one halted down. That one is halted down. Yeah. So the only one is AZI and maybe Lunar, guys. Lunar might be the one to watch as well. I'm gonna put support around 1260 and the current resistance 1449. DJT start to reverse up. AVGO going up 2% finally. And APLD going up toward the 26 finally, guys. We got some action. We need some action. Come on. Where's the bolts? We need action for those stocks. Hallelujah. Hmm. Let's go. AVGO guys looking fantastic. 9%. We need some more. We need some more action. Yeah, 2670 could be really good reversal. Yeah, AVGO, we got a nice reversal here. 22%. AVGO, the same. We have a really good reversal, 347.67. Finally, we got some actions from the buyers. MU, guys, breaking out here. MU. We got a huge whale, guys, buying the dip before the market close. This is kind of weird, man. It's kind of a trick. Market pulled back from the cannabis stock and went all toward other stocks. Lunar, guys, is squeezing. AZI, it's time for a pullback, guys. Be careful. Time for a pullback for AZI. We got a question on our Discord here. Can you look at CRWV and Oracle? CRWV. CRWV. Oracle already checked it, brother. We said, oh, brother, Oracle is 8%. Huge reversal for Oracle, guys. Huge after the earnings. And this is could change everything, guys, because everybody was afraid from the hyperinflation for uh, for the AI stocks, which is Oracle. So Oracle started to reverse. We have a huge seller place around the 200. I expect a seller or 201. This is current resistance. Buyers came in around the 177. For CRWV, yes, we kind of broke out. Yeah, we got support around the 70 and the 64. And the current resistant now it is around the 79 and 87. So yeah, it looked really good, CRWV. What else we got? AZI, I think it's time for a pullback, guys, as we suggested exit around the $3. It was really great entry. The best entry was early in the pre-market. Again, we always do updates here on Discord and Patreon early on, guys. The link comes section below if you want to join for the early hunt, because one of the trade that went good, this one, AZI, we suggest for entry before the breakout that happened at the market open around 233. and now it's pulling back. We suggest for exit after the halting, of course. And now you see it's pulling back. Again, don't forget, guys, so we always go live every day. Not next week, Thursday, because the market will be closed for Christmas time. So Christmas came early for the market, guys, because we got a really good reversal for the market right now, especially for the stock that dipped a lot last week. AVGO reversing 3%, and we expect more toward 5% maybe, especially for APLD. We might have a nice jump of 10%. It's almost getting near the 2672, which is the current resistance. So I'm still waiting for more gains. We need more, guys, more gains here. So where's the bulls? Where is the bulls? Yeah, I think we're gonna have yeah, a seller around the 2664 maybe. And after that, we might have another 5% here, but not confirmed. But yeah, we need a little bit more for for APLD, guys. We can do it. We can squeeze for today before the close for today. We expect humongous jump for the market. Yes, sir. The market is getting crazy, guys, especially for semiconductor stock that went down unusually with Oracle, of course, bringing all the stocks down because all the traders, investors were worried about hyperinflation AI stocks. Anyway, Lunar pulling back. We got AZI pulling back. Let's see if we're gonna have another jump up. Come on, where's the bulls? We need bulls. We need more bulls to come to save us. What else we got here? NNE earnings. NNE. What's going on with NNE? I didn't know that NNE have earnings today. Yeah, we already had earnings, brother, at the 18th of December or yesterday after hours. Yesterday after hours earnings wasn't that good. I don't rely on the earnings because it's still negative for NNE, brother. It need to break the 32 to squeeze up toward the 36. So now didn't break the 32.88. It might pull back toward the 28.15. Light volume, brother. I don't suggest to buy on low volume now. AZI still holding the gains. Lunar still holding the gains. CGC the same. DJT the same. TLRY trying to reverse here. RPH, SOC, Oracle is pulling back a little bit. Yeah, today might be a huge green day, guys, for the market, especially for the stock that went down later that month, because as you see here, good earnings, but Oracle went down 21%, and now time for a reversal. 7%. I expect another 3% maybe for Oracle. Yeah, the price should go more, man. Especially for AVGO, we need at least 5% or 10% for today. Now is 3%. It's missing, yeah, 5% would be good. And 10% would be ideal. Anyway, we have to wait a little bit for this to happen. We got AZI, nothing much, guys. Still kind of consolidating sideways here. You are welcome, George. CGC maybe will close the gap around the 120. Beyond Meat gave back 10K shares. Interesting. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Today we got a bit of reversal for the market. Finally, some action back from the buyers and bulls. We need some more green, guys. We need more green for the market for today. Still AZI is holding. AZI still fighting with 40 million guys. 40 million worth of volume. AZI still trying to go up. I think we got a nice buyer here, guys, around the $2.77. Big buyer for AZI, guys. Big, huge buyer around the $2.77. Lunar, the same 1261. We got a nice buyer there. DJT is pulling back a little bit. I think we got some news. Trump fusion set deals dial to ludicrous mode. Inflation bonds, risk, and five other things to know today. Good afternoon, John. Thank you for reminding everybody to hit the like button. How you doing? We got, yes, a good bounce back before the end of this week after a bloodbath. The beginning of this week, man, it's bloodbath, from my opinion. Everybody panicking, selling, and finally we have some reversal from the market. Come on, man. We need a little bit more for APLD, guys. A little bit more of gains. Another 2% will not hurt anybody. Yeah, another 2% will be fantastic. The same for AVGO. We need just 3% here, man. Where's the bulls? We need patience. Lunar, guys, this one might be the one to watch, of course. He's about to hit the seller place here around this area, the 1340. If we broke it, it will be great for a squeeze. Lunar. And finally, this one is pulling back AZI, guys, one of the top gainer for today. Hit a seller place around the $3.25. Yeah, for now, it's filling the gap around the 274. So we got two stocks, guys, looking great for today. Just two stocks, AZI and Lunar. Karina asked about if I trade options. The simple answer is no. I don't trade options, but it's the same. If you can trade the market, you can trade options. Okay, AZI, we got a pullback, guys. DJT pullback as well. Lunar is holding the gain, is the strongest right now from Lunar. SMX, SMX, maybe I will put it on the main list now because it's kind of broke out. Looks strong now. Yeah, so we got some action for SMX. I'm gonna put it on the main list, everybody. I will put it on the main list. So we got SMX, DJT is pulling back, CGC is a bit weak, TLRY is a bit weak for today. So I'm gonna keep, let's see, ATHA. Yes, it might be good for today. It's moving. Oracle is still moving up. Yeah, SMX looking great. Lunar looking great as well. Yeah, I think we got a good action here, especially from Lunar. AZI, as we said, it's time for a pullback. Was good candidate for today. Let's check the last time for the stock that's been halted and call it for today. We got JLHL. JHLH, or I don't know, it's JL. Is weird ticker, 44%. No, I don't like it. Anyway, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for today. Thank you for watching and keep your eyes close for the market because it started to reverse. We're going to do a major update on our Discord and Patreon for the swing trade, the best swing trade for today and the rest of the next week before Christmas and before the end of this year. And we're going to do another update for the main unicorn like AZI, the main support and resistant profit taking, the ultimate profit taking. Everything in the link comment section below or in the video description down below for our Discord and Patreon for our community if you want to join for a continuation for the hunt and trading and updated the level. In the meantime, see you all back on Monday. Don't forget, 30 minutes before the market open. Stay blessed, have a nice weekend, and see you all back by next week, everybody. Thank you for watching.